Henan Doing Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited, the subsidiary company of Doing Holdings Company Limited, is a comprehensive environmental equipment manufacturer integrating technological design, research and development, machine production, sales, and after-sales service. Our main business? Solid waste, e-waste recycling, and metal plastic separation equipment, including scrap wires and cables recycling machine, PCB boards recycling machine, aluminum plastic separation machine, copper aluminum radiator recycling machine, mixed plastic separation machine, rubber silicone plastic separation machine, waste tire plastic pyrolysis machine, waste engine oil refining machine, etc. We not only possess an independent technology R&D team who have obtained a number of utility model patents and invention patents, but also have the professional manufacturing team and after-sales team to guarantee you the product quality and user experience. Therefore, our e-commerce and marketing team can cooperate with these teams to provide you the best one-stop service. Besides, we have branches and overseas warehouses in Nigeria with professional overseas sales and after-sales team. And our factory and warehouses have the whole set of advanced model machines. You are welcome to have a visit at any time. Over the years, Doing Group adheres to the business philosophy of quality first, credit foremost, providing the best pre-sales and after-sales service and the most professional technical support to our customers. Now, our products have sold well in more than 60 countries and regions, winning great all over the world.